You may have heard of the crypto coin called Baby Doge. Well, today on That Techo Guy, I'm going to be showing you how you can acquire Baby Doge through the process of mining. Stay tuned. Baby Doge, 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 Baby Doge, 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 Baby Doge, 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 Baby Doge. All right, yeah, I'm not very good at interpreting that song, but anyway. So, Baby Doge is now a mineable coin thanks to unMineable. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually mine Baby Doge and acquire it through the process of mining as well. So on my screen here you can see the official Baby Doge website. What is this coin all about? The birth of Baby Doge, world's best community token. Baby Doge has learned a few tricks and lessons from his meme father Doge. A new crypto birth by fans of the Doge meme online community. Baby Doge seeks to impress his father by showing his new improved transaction speed and adorableness. He is hyper-deflationary with static reflection that rewards holders, so more Baby Doge coins are being automatically added to your wallet with each transaction. Simply love, pet and hold, as 5% from each transaction is automatically redistributed to Baby Doge holders. So if you do actually sell off the coins that you make, there will be a 5% fee that is distributed amongst all other Baby Doge holders, which is similar to, for example, coins like SafeMoon. So you get more coins if you hold the coins. The more coins you hold, the more reflections, the more rewards you will get as well. So moving on to coin market cap, here we can see that the coin is at rank 2,909 and the price from June, this started in June 2021 till today, has still gone up from that time. And at the moment, the price is this price you can see up here in US dollars. So from the time of launch till to date, the price has gone up. Okay, so whoever invested this at the very start did get a return on their investment so far, and it actually had gone up even higher even at the start of this year. Again, very important for me to say this is no financial advice, and I am not telling you to go out and to buy this coin. I do believe that this coin is quite popular, as it was in recent months as well. However, do your own research and make sure to do your own due diligence and check these things out well for yourself and make your own decisions. I may actually start mining this coin, although at the moment I am mining Ethereum because I know that Ethereum is going to be gone very soon. So I am trying to acquire as much Ethereum as possible, and the gas fees for Ethereum right now are quite low as well. But I will look at switching over to this coin as well now that it is available on unMineable. And here you can also see that you can actually trade and get your wallets for mining the coin on all of these exchanges. So you've got Gate.io, Uniswap, Polynex, OKX, PancakeSwap, Lbank. I personally use Trust Wallet, so I did swap a few Baby Doge coins out on PancakeSwap, and I'm using my Trust Wallet to do that. You would then acquire your address, which you would actually be used in the next steps for mining by clicking on the receive button of, for example, Trust Wallet. Okay, so if you have Trust Wallet, you find the Baby Doge coin, you can copy the contract ID here. It's always important to copy the contract ID. Now this is going to be on the BEP20 chain, so BNB Smart Chain, which you can copy the contract address for here, paste that address into the custom section of Trust Wallet, and then you'll be able to add Baby Doge if you don't find it in the list automatically. And then you'll be able to click on receive and you'll get your wallet address, and that you will be needing to use in the mining script. So as you can see on unMineable, in the coin section, there is the cute little Baby Doge. So I'm just going to click on that coin, and here we enter the section for mining Baby Doge. So I am currently mining on ETH with my 7 GPU mining rig. You can check out more details on my 7 GPU mining rig in the link above or in the description below if you haven't already. And I am mining at 472 megahash. So So I'm just going to type that in right there. And here it's telling me that I'm going to make this many Baby Doge coins a day. So if I quickly want to calculate that, I'm just going to copy this into the calculator. I'm going to paste that right there, and I'm going to times that by the price that it is today, and this is in US dollars. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to paste that right there, and I'm going to see that each day I'm going to make around 14.8 US dollars. That is before electricity costs. If I deduct my electricity costs in dollars, it would be around 7. So that's going to give me around $7.80. So 7 US dollars and 80 cents, which is closer to around 7 euros if I were to convert that to euros. Okay, so that would be 7 euros of pure profit for me after deducting my electricity costs, which isn't too bad, and I would be diversifying my portfolio as well. So on to unMineable. So here in the coin section, on ETH, because that is what I am mining, you have all the details here. So now the coin name is Baby Doge, and then you would need to put in your address. So I'm just going to open up one of my other scripts that I was mining. So here I am opening up my script, and this is an example for a CPU, and this is an example for mining on your GPUs, okay? So here I'm using Phoenix Miner as an example, and XMRig for your CPU if you're using XMRig. All the instructions would be here, so if you just click on the different sections here, it will give you the different options. If you haven't ever used unMineable before and you haven't checked out my videos on unMineable, I do have videos on how you can get started with unMineable and detailed guides on how you can actually mine with XMRig, Phoenix Miner, and unMineable pools. So do check those out in the description below this video. So back to the scripts here. Let's start off with XMRig. So here I've selected the randomX section, CPU, and the command for that would remain all the same. xmrig.exe -o is the pool that we're connecting to, rx.unmineable.com:3333, which is the port, which is the same listed here. -a rx is the algorithm. The algorithm is random x in this case, which you can see up there. And -k is keep alive so that the connection stays alive. -u is going to be the coin and the wallet address. Like I discussed in the beginning, the wallet address you would obtain from either Gate.io, for example, or the other exchanges, or using Trust Wallet like I use. Now here the coin name is going to change to, like it states down here, to Baby Doge. Okay. And then you would put in your wallet address that you would get from the exchange or your wallet, and you would put that in right there. So I'm just going to just leave that one in there. Doesn't matter. I'm just going to type in random characters, dot, and then you would put in your worker name. And the worker name can really be anything you like. It is just to differentiate between the coin that you are mining. And if you have different systems, maybe you're mining on your home PC or laptop on your CPU, and then you have another mining rig on your GPU. So here you would differentiate with the name so you know which is which, okay? So here I've got Techo Guy, and it's no longer Safe Moon. In this case, it's going to be Baby Doge, just so I recognize it. So Baby Doge underscore CPU, so I know it's with my CPU. And then you would enter your hashtag, if you do have a hashtag at the end of that without any spaces, hashtag and the referral code. I am going to put my referral code on my screen right now, and you can use my referral code if you like to drop your mining fee on the unMineable pools from 1% to 0.75%. -px is a default password, so that's just left as blank. Save that, run it, and you're good to go. Having said that, with your CPU, you can also try to squeeze out a bit more performance, and I do have a video on that as well. So do check it out to try to mine faster with your CPU and get a few more hashes. So that is the part for CPU. So if we do check the GPU one, so GPU, it depends on which GPU you are mining. Here I was mining on ETH because my video cards do support Ethereum mining directly and can mine on the ET hash algorithm because they have at least 6 gigabytes of video memory. But if your cards don't, you can try the other algorithms, etc hash or cow-pow, and the concept would be the same. Just follow the global server here and make sure you're inputting the correct global server and ports here, and that is pretty much it. There is not much to it. So I'm going to click on ET hash, and in my case it's going to be ethash.unmineable.com, which is what I have right here, so I'm not going to change that. In the case of Phoenix Miner, it would be -wall, and then you would again enter the same thing. Baby Doge and the wallet right here, -worker, and this is going to be the worker name, and I would change this to Baby Doge to recognize it. _GPU hashtag, and the hashtag that I mentioned in the description of the video below if you would like to use that. This I leave as default, and at the end here, the only thing I did change for Phoenix Miner was the temperature target because I want to control the temperature myself using third-party software like, for example, MSI Afterburner, because I am overclocking my cards. -T stop 83, so it will stop mining if the temperature does reach 83 degrees. Coin is still ETH regardless if you are mining, because you are not actually mining Baby Doge, you are still mining Ethereum here, or ETC hash, Ethereum Classic, or cow-pow, which is Raven Coin, or RandomX, which is Monero. So you're not actually mining the coin directly, but the other coins, and then getting paid out, in this case, in Baby Doge, okay? So that is important for you to know as well. You can, yes, obviously mine Ethereum directly if you have the hardware to do it, and then just swap out the coin to Baby Doge, but obviously that takes more work to do, and there are fees involved to do that. And I'm not saying that unMineable don't charge you fees, because they are charging you fees when they are actually paying you out. So if they're going to pay me the number they specified here per day, obviously they're taking a cut out of that number. I could have potentially made more than that, but they're taking a cut out for the convenience of it, so you don't have to go to exchanges and swap the coin and things like that. So I would prefer this method because they are doing everything for me and I don't have to do anything, and I just sit back and watch the Baby Doge coins go into my wallet. So it's as easy as that. If you do have any issues, do let me know down in the comment section below, and I will do my best to try to help you out as much as possible. Hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below and smash that like button, hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.